All right, boys and girls. So you should have just either read Babe Ruth, listened to me read it, and if you listened to me read Babe Ruth to you, I hope you went back and read it by yourself. So here is your questions for this text. It says, answer each question with text-based evidence. Remember from the last slide I said text-based evidence is you're getting your answers, you're getting your facts from the text, from the Babe Ruth text. You're not just making it up, okay? Each response has to have, basically, guys, remember what our expectation is. I want to see Miss Reagan, Miss Nunn, Miss Pierre, and myself, Miss Gonzalez, all want to see you doing a few things. Complete sentences. Starting your sentences with capitals, ending them with punctuation. Okay? That's an expectation. It's an expectation from 2nd grade. You guys should definitely be doing that in 4th grade. The other thing is restating the question when you answer. It'll help you put it in a very thorough, complete sentence. So number 1 says, what was Babe Ruth's real name? Well, restate it. Babe Ruth's real name was, and then go back up in the text and figure it out. Describe Babe's childhood. Go back in the text. What was his childhood like? Okay. Where did Babe Ruth spend 12 years? Go back in the text. Don't just say, make something up. Go up in the text and get the actual name of the place he spent 12 years in. Get specific. Where did Babe Ruth learn about baseball? Get specific. Name the place he learned about baseball from. Who did Babe Ruth play for before moving up to the major leagues? It says it up in the text. Okay? All right. After you guys answer all these questions, there is going to be Miss Nunn had put a comment on the last one that said that there was going to be a bonus question about talking about the structure of this text. There will be one for this too on the next slide. Make sure you guys click on the link on the next slide and I will give a little short lesson and explain how you guys are going to answer that one. All right? Thanks, boys and girls.